Hello everyone, this is Stephanie with Market. In this tutorial, I'm going to be discussing postcard marketing. There are 3 different areas in the marketing section that you can create postcards through the system. You can create them on Postcards on Demand, Postcard Automation, or Customer Finder 360. For this example, I'm just going to show you how to create postcards in general, and I'm going to do this by editing one of the postcards I have on Postcards on Demand. In this example, you have to give it a campaign name, and then most importantly is your return address. This is going to be inserted on the back of the postcard with your company name and address, so just make sure that this information is accurate in case it needs to be returned. When you're ready, we're going to create the front of our image. As you can see, we have different images that you can use on the right side, from holidays to different images based on service, to reminders, and thank you messages. If these images are not what you're looking for, you can always add an image from your PC. You can choose a background image or an overlay image. Overlay just means it's going on top. So from here, I can select my image and put it on my postcard. Just make sure that anything on the card stays within the red line, as that is the cutoff point. From here, you have several different cute things that you can do. You can adjust the corners, so you can round them off if you like and press apply when you're done. You can also do things like add frames, or you can add different little stickers by choosing which category and then going through those and applying. You can also add little shapes. For example, an arrow. If you want to put this on your card, you can also choose to rotate it by holding your mouse over this top button, holding and dragging. So you can always choose a shape that way as well. If you apply this, there it is. And if you need to, you can always add the trash can to delete that item off. You can also choose to hand draw or maybe do a signature somewhere on the card as well. You can choose your brush size, one of the preset colors, or you can click the color palette to choose a specific color. Then you can finally add text. To add text, you're just going to press the plus button, and you can click and hold to move it. And again, double click is going to allow you to change the text. From here, you can also change the font type. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And for this color, I'm going to change it to a purple. So as you can see, it's been applied automatically. I'm going to move this to the area that I want it placed in. You can make it larger or smaller just by holding and dragging or squeezing the corners. And again, you can add a little flair by tilting it. So once you have all of your items set on your text, press apply. And all of those options have been set for that one. So now we have our front of the postcard. Again, you can add any one of these little flourishes that you want. From here, now we're going to press continue and move on to the back of our card. So here is where our business name and return address is going to appear. It's going to appear within these dotted lines, so make sure nothing that you have on the outside overlaps. You can add an image as a background image to the back as well. Just make sure that this area is going to be cut out. We also have an overlay image. For example, this is an area where you can put a good logo. You just delete the text, add your image, and we'll choose overlay image this time. From here, we're just going to choose our logo and put it in there. Just make sure that either your background image or your overlay images are good resolution, otherwise they will print out grainy on the postcard. Because we already have our return address and company name going here, you can actually delete this text box and that text box and either add more information or maybe another image. The same with your header and the information underneath. You'll just double click to edit this information. And you can also do fun things like add a shadow or how much you want it blurred. So there's other little tools that you can use to make it look really cool and stand out. Same with the text. You can just do like you normally would and edit that. And once you're done, hit apply. And now you're ready to go ahead and save your postcard and get ready to send by hitting continue. Now we have our postcard created, and you can follow through with the rest of the prompts either through the Postcards on Demand, Postcard Automations, or Customer Finder 360. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.